I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Quill Forms as a trigger. Now choose a form. Click the Fetch button, then go to your form. Fill it out and submit it to retrieve the data. The data was successfully retrieved after submitting the form. Set action. Search and select Action Demio. Give here an API key and API secret key. So please visit the Demio API key and API secret key. Copy the Demio API key and API secret key and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an event. Choose a session. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Please go to your form, complete it, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Demio site and refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the Demio site. Thanks for watching.